Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can access your file manager in cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, cPanel is an online web hosting interface, GUI, which is Linux based. It is used to, well, better control your site, which you're hosting, and it is a third-party paid-for service. However, most hosting services do offer a cPanel subscription to better organize your site and to use it more efficiently. Now, the way you access the file manager is relatively simple. You just need to log into your cPanel account, and then you need to scroll down to the file section, then click on the file manager, which will then open up the file manager. You'll see the hierarchical list of all your files which are relevant to your site, and it is very similar to the file manager used in Windows. As you can see, it does look very similar to the Windows Explorer, which is quite user-friendly, so you can very easily use it without any prior training. And when you first use it, you should click on the settings icon in the top right corner to specify the default settings, and this will allow you to enable to show hidden files, such as dot files, such as HD access, which you need. Then once you're done with that, you just need to click the save button, and then the tools to manage your files are displayed on this ribbon at the top of the file manager page, and you can use them very freely. You can add a file, add a folder, you can copy and move, sorry for my phone, you can upload different files, delete them, etc. And yeah, it is very easy to do. You can, as you see, do all of these things here. You can edit HTML, edit other files, edit permissions, etc. And if you wish to make any changes to an existing file or folder, you will need to locate it in the manager and select it so it's highlighted, just like the mail folder here. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Very simple to use, very user-friendly, very intuitive, and that is pretty much it. Sorry I couldn't show you guys myself because I don't have a cPanel subscription or an account, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.